Hello. It's time for math. I will go ahead and share my screen. All right, and it's Perion Mills' first grade math lesson on Thursday, May 14th, 2020 with Mrs. Clay. You will need your packet from last week, which is dated May 4th through May 8th. It's a first grade packet. Let's go ahead and get started on the next page. Our objectives today are add and subtract, identify strategies to count. We'll start with our number talk. Add and subtract. The launch. You see that there's a picture of elephants. And what you need to do is tell a story about the picture. We have a picture of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a picture of 7 elephants in the picture. If 8 more elephants came to the watering hole, how many elephants would there be? Could you explain? All right, I would say our problem is 7 plus 8 equals, it looks like 7 plus 8 is a doubles plus 1 problem. 7 plus 7 equals 14 plus 1 more makes 15. You got it. A third group of elephants came to the watering hole. Now there are 21 elephants altogether. How many elephants were in the third group? So we know that there were 15 elephants, and all together would be 21. So that would be 15 plus something would be 21, equal 21. Good. There's a couple of ways. There's a few ways that you can solve it. You can start counting at 15 and counting up to 21. So we have 15 in our head, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the answer would be 6. We could say 21, take away 15 would be 6. Let's move on over. Identify strategies to count. We have our race for 20 game. And what you have to do is you need a partner. So I'm going to grab my daughter here to help us with this problem here. Come on over, Trinity. All right, and this right here will tell you how to play. Number one, decide who goes first. Then take turns. Number 2, when it is your turn, count 1 or 2 numbers. The first player says 1 or 1, 2. The next player continues to count with 1 or 2 numbers. The winner is the player who says 20. Okay, so let's go ahead. Who's gonna go first?
I'll go first.
Okay, Trinity's going first.
1,
2, 3,
4, 5,
6,
7, 8,
9, 10,
11, 12,
13, 14,
15, 16,
17, 18.
19, 20.
Oh, she got to 20 first. Oh boy. Wow, let's do it one more time. And now, with this game, you can do different types of activities with it. You could use pennies, 19 pennies, and 1 nickel. And you could use pennies to count up to 20. And when you get to 20, you can grab the nickel, and the person with the nickel would be the winner. Or you can have red and blue coins or counters that you could use, any of those. So let's try it again, but this time we're going to move up to the next one. Down here it says you can race for 20, count 3. For this version, instead of being allowed to count 1 or 2 numbers, you can count 1, 2, or 3 numbers. So the first player can say 1, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3. Then the next player continues by counting the next 1, 2, or 3 numbers. All right. Since you've got a chance to go first last time, I'll go this time, okay? Let's see how we can count to 20. Now let's see who can get there first. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
6, 7, 8.
9, 10, 11.
12, 13.
14, 15, 16.
17, 18.
19, 20.
Oh no, she got to 20 again. Oh my goodness, but that's how you play the game. All right, that's it. Thank you, Trinity. Did we meet our objectives today? Yes, we did some adding and subtracting. We identified strategies to count. You want to play the race for 20 game, and you want to make sure that you get to 20, depending on how you can count 1 or 2 numbers, or 1 or 2 or 3 numbers, depending on the game that you want to play. So you want to come up with some strategies on how to get to 20. Be the first one to get there. Thanks for spending time with us today. I will not be able to see you next week because this is the last lesson online for this school year. So enjoy the rest of your summer. Don't forget to work on adding and subtraction, imagine learning, and so forth. Have a great time. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.